attempt to bring back these headlights. I don't know if you can see them in the camera, but they're pretty nasty. I got this kit, turtle wax kit, comes with a clarifying compound, spray lubricant. I don't know, we're gonna see how it works. I don't know if it's good or, you know, but we're gonna figure it out.
15 minutes later.
All right, so before I even show y'all the finished product, yo, so this is the kit that I have. Like I said, it comes with clarifying compound and all that stuff. So what I did first was I washed the headlights, right? Washed the headlights, dried it off. I applied this with, you know, damn, right, dirty as shit, but applied this with a rag, right? After you apply it, you use a spray lubricant. These are gonna have different, see, number 1, number 2, number 3 and 4, like they all rubbed off. So what you do is you rub it on with number 1 and the spray lubricant. You keep it wet at all times. You rub it with one side. Say if you go up and down, when you flip it over, you go left to right. You go to number 3, up and down, flip it over, left to right, keeping it lubricated at all times. When you're finished, there's, I already threw them away, but there's these sealant, the sealant wipe and the base wipe. So first you do the base wipe first, and when it dries, you put the sealant wipe. And this is how it came out, bro. Brand new. Brand new. So now my car looking a little less ugly. Look at that. Sheesh. I gotta get me a grill, because this grill is all busted up. Get me a grill. And I should be looking decent. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy how it came out. I'm not gonna lie. The kit, by the way, is like $11 at the parts store. Yo, that is clear. Oh my God. So you know she's gonna be next. Look how close I park, yo. She's gonna be next. These definitely need some love. A lot of love. Look at the, yeah. But yeah, man. Definitely worked out. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Even if I gotta do this every month, I wouldn't mind, because the process literally takes like 10 minutes. You feel me? Like, it don't take long. Look, I can see myself. Oh my God. But yeah, definitely recommend. I don't know how long it's gonna last. Like I said, the sealant is supposed to keep it from, like, this is gonna cure for 24 hours. So, but they say you can drive with it as is, but definitely I recommend this. Like, this shit is fire. So yeah, if you're looking for a kit, $11, very inexpensive, I would recommend this kit. I haven't tried anything else yet, but if these fog up like too quick, I might do an updated video on something else. But for now, thumbs up from me. Thanks for watching.